Choosing the right adhesive can mean the difference between a successful commercial roof installation and costly, time-consuming repairs. EPDM membranes may experience shrinkage and seam integrity issues over time, making proper installation crucial. QDEK QD2040 is engineered to deliver high initial tack, long-lasting adhesion, and efficient installation that saves you time and labor costs. Packaged in a 22-liter canister, QD2040 covers 10 squares and provides long-lasting, mess-free adhesion, even in extreme weather conditions. It's proven to withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for high heat applications. QD2040's strong, adjustable web spray pattern won't fly away like urethane alternatives. It ensures even, consistent coverage on both the substrate and membrane. With rising material costs and tight project timelines, choosing QD2040 isn't just about getting the job done, it's about protecting your reputation and your bottom line. How to apply QD2040 step by step. QD2040 is only compatible with the M125. Using any other spray gun could lead to improper dispensing and application issues, so be sure to use the right equipment for the best results. Step 1, prep the surface. Ensure your substrate and membrane are clean, dry, and free from contaminants. Step 2, spray the adhesive. Apply the adhesive to both the substrate and the membrane, ensuring consistent coverage and overlap at the edges. Allow 2 to 4 minutes for the adhesive to flash off. It should be tacky but not wet. Step 3, bond and roll the membrane. Carefully align and place the membrane onto the adhesive-coated substrate. Apply firm, even pressure to secure the bond. Use a roller to enhance adhesion. Ensure there are no air pockets or wrinkles. Allow the adhesive to fully cure before subjecting it to foot traffic or extreme conditions. Faster, smarter, safer. Join the roofing revolution with QDEK and transform the way you work. For more information, get in touch with one of our experts or check out our whole product range on our website.